Hey everybody, this is Paul. Welcome to Lesson 32 in the Intermediate Algebra series. In this tutorial I'll be showing you a couple examples of how to solve first-degree equations using algebra. So this is the first equation that I have here, and basically we're trying to figure out what value x has to be in order for this statement to be true. So we know that the right hand side says that it's equal to 1/2, so that implies that everything here is also equal to 1/2. So what we want to do is we want to get x by itself on one side of the equation, and then that will tell us what x has to be in order for this statement to be true. So in order to get x by itself, we're simply going to subtract 4 from both sides. And so this is basically saying that 1/2 minus 4 is equal to something. And so then if we take 1/2 minus 4 over here, then these two answers are going to be the same. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and then we have plus x. Then we have 1/2 minus 4. So 0 plus x is simply equal to x. So x equals 1/2 minus 4. So this is a right answer, this is correct, but let's go ahead and simplify this. And so what we can do is we want to rewrite the 4 as some number over 2. So 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1. And if we were to multiply that by the number 1, it wouldn't change anything. And so 2 divided by 2 is the number 1. So that means that the result of this is going to be equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 1 times 2 equals 2. So we can rewrite the number 4 as 8 over 2. So then we have 1/2. Just rewrite that a little bit neater here. 1/2 minus 4 is equal to 8 over 2. And then we just simply combine the numerators here. So this is equal to 1 minus 8 over 2. And 1 minus 8 is equal to negative 7, and that's over 2. And we can rewrite that by pulling the negative sign out front. And so this is negative 7 over 2. So that would be our answer. X is equal to negative 7 over 2. And so basically what this means is if we take 4 and then we add a negative 7 over 2, then we will have the result equal to 1/2. 4 plus negative 7 over 2 is equal to 1/2. So let's go ahead and do a second example now. This example we're going to do, this is going to be x minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1 over 6. So like in the last problem, what we want to do is we want to get the x by itself on one side. So we're simply going to add a 2/3 to the left side here. And whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. So this is going to be 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3. And our results will be equivalent. And so now we have a negative 2/3 and a positive 2/3. So that just simply gives us 0. And then we're left with x. So this is really x plus 0 on this side. And on this side we have 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3. So x plus 0 is simply just x. And x is equal to 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3. So now let's go ahead and simplify this. So we'd like this term right here to be some number over 6 so that we can just simply combine the numerators together. So 2/3 multiplied by the number 1 is still 2/3, and for our number 1 we're going to choose 2 over 2 because 2 over 2 equals 1. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 3 times 2 is equal to 6, so that means that 4 over 6 is equal to 2/3. So let's just go ahead and rewrite that now. We have 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3 we said was equal to 4 over 6. And now that we have the same common denominator of 6 on both of our terms, we can simply add the numerators together. 1 plus 4 over 6, and 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So our answer is 5 over 6. So x is equal to 5 over 6. So this is the value that x has to be for our statement up above to be true. 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1 over 6. So that's the end of this tutorial. Stay tuned for some more examples on solving these types of equations using algebra. And we'll see you guys next time. So have a great day, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe.